Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Got my son riding across the grass there with his bike. My daughter's running up. I brought my little Franken build back out here, and this time I got uniform motors on it now. I took those other motors off and added the other three of these Eachine 1102 11,500 kV motors, and so I'm out here to see how this thing flies. I did have an issue with one of the motors. I came to find out that the motor post wasn't really tight on here. It was really loose and all, sliding in and out. I tried some glue and the glue came loose, and now I tried some soldering. So I did solder the top of the motor post a little underneath this prop. You can't really see it, but I did add some solder, not a lot. Hopefully that does make the prop stay on tighter and it spins and all. The motor post just was real loose. Today is FPV Friday, so curious to do some FPV with this guy and see how it flies with these new motors. So let's get it. Oh, somebody in the comments did recommend that I switch the battery connector, the battery lead, but the battery lead has always been this BT 2.0 connector. So yeah, I did another battery, so I got more battery options. This time I'm with the 850 now, so larger battery and all, should be able to withstand the punch outs and all. Let's get it in the air. My kids out here running around. And in case you guys are wondering what happened with that other Express LRS build that I was doing with the other Whoop light system, I actually got the magic smoke once I soldered that thing up to the flight controller and all. So didn't go well. I'm gonna have to hold off and do that again. Watch out, Imani, don't step on my stuff. So I guess I'm gonna have to come again on that. Looks like we're recording. Let's try to get it in the air. Oops, so we got that issue again where it went black on me again. It's weird, I always have to take off twice. So my second takeoff. Got to turn the rates up on this guy. I feel like I want to do some high flying today. Kind of quiet. I'm just enjoying this thing. Flies really nice. Fly out here. The range is actually pretty good. We at 3.5 volts. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Thanks. So I'm trying to cruise a little now. Same time, I don't want to go too far with it. Gotta try to keep track of the voltage. The voltage is doing pretty good though. 3.5 volts. Whoa. 3.4 volts. So I'm definitely going to try to get another one of those light systems. That's my build. I'm not going to fly too long. I got my kids out here. I got to keep my eye on them too. Back over here. A little line of sight with it. Not much battery left, so I can't get too crazy with it. Oh, barely had enough power to pull out of that. Let's bring it in. I might be killing this battery. So that's my little Franken build here. With the correct motors on it now. I have a link in the description to the first video that I did of this. If you guys want to know more, you can go check out that link in the description. FPV Friday, y'all. Thanks for watching.